Here are some amazing facts about Jewel Beetle: appearance and physical features. Iridescence: their striking colors come from structural coloration, not pigments. Their exoskeleton reflects light, creating their metallic look. Metallic colors: the most common colors include green, blue, gold, and copper. Strong exoskeleton: Jewel beetles have tough, armor-like shells that protect them from predators. Tiny scales: the iridescent appearance is created by microscopic scales arranged in complex layers. Mimicry: their shiny surface can help them mimic dew droplets or blend into shiny leaves. Size: they vary in size, from a few millimeters to several centimeters long, depending on the species. Antennae: their antennae are usually short and saw-like, aiding in sensory detection. Elongated body: many species have a slender, bullet-shaped body. Light reflectors: their body structure is an efficient light reflector, helping them stay camouflaged in their environment. Hard shell: their thick, durable shell is not just for protection but also to retain moisture in dry environments. Tarsi: they have 5 segments in their tarsi feet, useful for gripping surfaces. Color shifts: depending on the angle of the light, their colors can shift. Wing cases: their forewings elytra are hardened, covering and protecting their hind wings when not in flight. Nocturnal iridescence: the iridescent effect is still visible in low light conditions. Habitat and distribution: global distribution: Jewel beetles are found worldwide, especially in tropical and subtropical regions. Wide variety of habitats: they thrive in forests, woodlands, grasslands, and even deserts. Heat tolerance: some species can survive extreme temperatures and are often found in hot, arid regions. Dead wood: many species are associated with dead or decaying wood, where they lay eggs. Pine forests: in some regions, they are common in pine forests, feeding on pine tree saplings. Diverse climates: Jewel beetles can be found from rainforests to semi-arid environments. Tree dwellers: many species are arboreal, living in and on trees. Diet and feeding habits: wood-boring larvae: many jewel beetle larvae bore into wood and feed on the internal tissues of trees. Sap suckers: adult beetles often feed on plant sap, pollen, and nectar. Specialists: some species have specialized diets, feeding only on particular tree species. Destructive pests: in some cases, jewel beetle larvae can be significant pests, damaging forests and timber industries. Dead wood feeders: some species prefer trees that are already weakened or dying. Host-specific: certain species will only feed on a specific type of tree or plant. Sapwood feeders: some jewel beetles prefer the softer sapwood of trees, while others target hardwood. Life cycle and reproduction: complete metamorphosis: jewel beetles go through 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Eggs in bark: females lay their eggs in the cracks of tree bark or dead wood. Long larval stage: the larval stage can last from 1 to 3 years, depending on environmental conditions. Pupation in wood: the larvae pupate within the wood where they been feeding, eventually emerging as adults. Flight capability: adults are strong flyers and use this to locate mates and new habitats. Mating behavior: males often detect females through chemical cues, pheromones. Bright colors for mating: they're shiny, bright colors are thought to play a role in attracting mates. Prolonged life cycle: some species can take several years to mature, especially in colder climates. Wood penetration: the larvae have strong mandibles that allow them to chew through tough wood. Survival strategies and adaptations: camouflage: their metallic coloration acts as camouflage, reflecting their surroundings. Mimicry of drops: Their appearance can mimic dew or water droplets, helping them avoid predators. Temperature detection. Some species can detect infrared radiation from forest fires and lay eggs in freshly burnt wood. Fire follower. Species like the black fire beetle are known to follow forest fires to find freshly dead wood for egg laying. Chemical sensing. They have highly sensitive chemical sensors to detect host trees from great distances. Defense mechanism. Some species produce toxic chemicals to deter predators. Survival in drought. Their thick exoskeleton helps them conserve water in arid climates. Quick flight. They can take off rapidly when disturbed to escape predators. Behavior and interaction. Solitary creatures. Most jewel beetles are solitary, only interacting during the mating season. Dawn and dusk activity. They are most active during dawn and dusk, avoiding the heat of midday. Sunbathing. They often bask in the sun to warm up before taking flight. Aggressive mating. Males may engage in aggressive competition to win over a female.